Good morning, this is the latest market news. I'm Uliana. Asian stock markets are mostly higher on Thursday, with the positive cues from Wall Street and higher crude oil prices lifting investor sentiment. However, gains are muted in most markets as investors turned cautious ahead of the crucial US jobs data on Friday. The Australian market is modestly higher following the positive lead from Wall Street on better-than-expected US economic data and on higher oil prices. In late morning trades, the benchmark ASX 200 index is adding 0.31%. Japan's Nikkei gained 0.6%. On Wednesday, US S&P 500 index gained 0.43%, led by banks and energy companies. In currency market, the Australian dollar is lower against the US dollar on Thursday after stronger-than-expected US economic data lifted the greenback. In early trades, the local unit was trading at $0.7612, down from $0.7626 on Wednesday. The dollar rose to 1 month high of 103.67 yen and last stood at 103.37 yen. Gold extended losses, hitting a 3.5 months low of $1,262.2 per ounce and last stood at $1,267.4. Today's release of US jobless claims data will be closely read ahead of tomorrow's official report on payrolls for September. US initial jobless claims 12:30 GMT. Private sector payrolls rose less than forecast in September, according to yesterday's update of the ADP employment report. The data for layoffs is expected to remain a bullish factor based on estimates for today's weekly release on jobless claims. Briefing.com's consensus forecast calls for a slight uptick in new filings for unemployment benefits, but the projection for a rise of 2,000 will leave claims at a modest 258,000, which is close to the lowest level since 1973. In short, this leading indicator appears set to deliver another dose of bullish enthusiasm for the labor market outlook. It was the latest market news read by Aiko FX. Goodbye.